Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 Hindi, Chapter 9, Swatantrata Ki Or, worksheets with answers and English explanation. Already I have posted a video explaining this chapter in English. So if you have not gone through that video, kindly go through that video so that it will be very easy for you to answer this worksheet. First, Katin Shabda, hard words we are going to learn. First one is Ashram, meaning is so that place where Gandhiji was living as ashram. Swatantrata meaning is freedom. Dandi is a place. Buddhu, stupid. Badaya, so we saw it is man bad badaya. So we would have come across this word. So I was thinking in mind. Soot katna, so meaning is spinning yarn. Tahrate, stay. Dekhbal, take care. Bartan, vessels. Next, Bakriya is goats. Yojna, idea. Chabana, chew. Rasoigar, kitchen. Chulha, so that stove. Kyaryo, vegetable beds. Kudni, fantni, jump, hop. Samudra, sea. Utavle, rashly or harshly. Kodna, dig. Yatra, travel. Satyagrah, you all know that is a procession. So Julus meaning is procession. Report. So report is in English also the same, report. Next, British. So in English also it is British. Akalmant, intelligent. Toorne, gather. Naujawan meaning is youth or young. Dheeraj, endurance. Samjaya, explain. Vyast, busy. Next we'll see meanings. Few words are given, so we'll see the meanings of each word. First one, ashram. Similar meaning is mud, meaning is ashram. Buddhu, Bevakoof. So both the meaning refers to stupid or fool. Swatantrata, Ajadi. Both refers to freedom. Taharana, stay. Rupna also stay. Pasand is like. Acha lagna meaning is good. Dost, friend. Mitra also friend. Jarur, sure. Pakka, correct. Kudni, fandni is jump hop. Uchalna also jumping. Yatra, tirtha meaning is travel. Sawal, prashana, question. Chabana, kana. Chabana meaning is chew. Kana is food. Yojna, tarkib, idea. Sarasar, bilkul, perfect. Anyay, pap, injustice. Manahi, inkar, denial. Manahi meaning is refusing. Report, report is sending a report. Khabar is news. Akalmant is intelligent. Buddhiman is also intelligent. Hat, jid, persistence. Next we'll see masculine, feminine or change the gender. Mata, pita is mother, pita, father. Bakra, bakri, male goat, female goat. Acha, achi, good. Kudni, fandni. So here also jump, hop. Amma, bapa. So mother, mom, dad. Next we'll see question answers from this chapter. Dani ने गांधी जी से सुबह के समय बात करना क्यों ठीक समझा होगा. So why did Dani thought that morning time is best to talk with Gandhi ji? So the answer is Gandhi ji is very busy. So Vyast meaning is busy. Gandhi ji is always busy. So it is not easy to see him alone. That's why Dani chose morning time to talk with him. So this is the answer. Second question, Dani Binni ko dekhbhal kaise karta tha? Meaning is how did Dani take care of Binni? आंसर, दनी बिन्नी को हरी घास खिलाकर और उसके बर्तन में पानी डालकर उसकी देखभाल करता था. सो हाउ डिड बानी टेक केयर? how did Dhani take care of Bini? So Dhani take care of Bini by giving him green color grass and giving water and vessels. So by this he was taking care of Bini. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, धनी को यह कैसे महसूस हुआ कि आश्रम में कोई योजना बनाई जा रही है. So how did Dhani know that some plan is going on? Answer is, धनी को यह इसलिए महसूस हुआ क्योंकि सब लोग गांधी जी के कमरे में बैठकर बातें करते थे. So Dhani thought that some idea is going on because all the people, most of the people in Sabarmati ashram, they were discussing something in Gandhiji's room. Fourth question, गांधी जी के आश्रम का क्या नाम था? So what is the name of ashram of गांधी जी? गांधी जी के आश्रम का नाम सबरमती आश्रम. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, बिनी कौन थी? बिनी आश्रम की एक बकरी थी. So बिनी is a goat in ashram. धनी कौन था? धनी एक 9 साल का छोटा लड़का था. धनी is 9 years old boy. Now is 9 years old boy. So this worksheet ends here. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching.